Brian, ordering food can be a bit tricky because on the one hand we don't want to run out of food. Pigs are very stressed by being without food and ulceration follows very quickly. But also we don't want food hanging around too long, going stale, because that's not good for the pigs either and depresses food intake. So how do you order the food to try and get that balance right?
Well, we're actually on a standing order because it's the easiest way to do it. Because it's not a regular order, only once a fortnight, it is something that can be easily forgotten. So putting it on a standing order is a good idea. Because most pig units tend to use the same amount of food week in, week out. So it's very easy to do it that way. Likewise, like you say, you don't want to have food lingering about that's been there for 3 or 4 weeks because it becomes stale. Especially some of this creep feed that has milk powder in, there's nothing worse. So you want food that's fresh, but having said that, like you say, you do not want to run out. So a standing order is a very easy way of doing it.
And a standing order can still be changed, even if you're getting a bit long on food or short on food.
That's right, it can be altered, but at least you have that backup that if you forget to order it on the Friday afternoon for the next Monday or Tuesday.
And many farmers do.
Yeah, you surprise me.
Oh, good. I'm pleased to hear that. Thank you.